Kuringana na thirikari ya kaunti ya Kitui, njuui nyingi mwena ucio ni ihwite na gitumi giacio kuhwa ni ucini wa makara.
We had little rains, and because we have no trees, we have no food. So we either have got to choose. Do we continue burning charcoal, or do we now stop it so that we can save ourselves?
Ngavana Ngilu no aheanite mukana kuri aria marutaga biashara ya muthanga, akiuga no amwe aria maratuma njuui ihuke tondu nikuo marutaga. Haha gugituika o mweri rori tanyihire ngirigiri nicionekaga ikiuma njuui-ini ikuite muthanga.
And we are not going to have any more sand harvesting, and there will be nothing. We will not allow any lorries getting to our rivers anytime, whether day or night. So this has got to be stopped with immediate effect.
Kuratuika mutitu wa Kitui urorete kuhuka ni kumana na utemi wa miti, Ngilu akiuga ndekwirorera maya makihanika.
So all those people who have been in this trade now need to be warned that this brings an end to all the things that they have been doing out there.
So beginning tonight, of course, they will not allow any movement of forest produce, be it chap, whether licensed or not, and of course including sand.
Gavana aroiga watho ucio urambia orio, akiuga ni maranyitanira na thirikari nene gutigirira ni waruma.
We have taken it together with the national government, represented by the county commissioner and the security committee members who are all here. And we have, for me, I have now answered to what people have been calling out for.
Ikinya riri ni oriri kuratuika njuui nyingi cia gicigo gia Central ni ihwite. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Wanjiku wa Kimani.